Okay, let's go ahead and look at the third method for adding student records with importing. I'll go ahead and close this student demographics record and remove this filter to display the entire demographics list. There are two sources for importing information coming from an external source, from a third-party system or populating an import template. There is only one way to import this information, and that is from the Tools menu. Click Third-Party Import Wizard. The wizard opens to guide you through the importing process with information displayed on each screen. TE allows several types of imported records to populate and update information in your online database. To import student records, select Name and Demographics from a third-party system and click Next. The most common file type for importing records is a comma-separated values or CSV file. Click Browse to locate the saved import file. One that was either exported from a third party or manually populated on an import template. In this case, we will select the Name and Demographics import file, and the file name now displays in the data field or the file name field. Click Next, and the wizard is now ready to process the import data from the specified file. Click Next. The message that you want to see displayed is that the import file was read successfully. This message would also indicate if any record failed import. Click Next. The next screen gives you the opportunity to correct any record that failed import. Highlighted records indicate errors. If you click a highlighted record, the error will display in the field below the list of records. In this case, we have no errors in our records. Highlighted records appear in a shaded red, light red color. If there are any errors, then here again, click Edit Records, apply any edits, and save the record. Once edited information is saved, then the record should no longer display an error message at the bottom. So continue that process until all records are essentially importable without errors. Click Next to import the records. The entire database successfully imported. Click Next. Sorry, I think I'm ahead of myself here. Here we go. This is the message that you want to see. And so when you know that the record's successfully imported, go ahead and click Finish. Now to verify imported student records, go to the Student Demographics list and click Refresh. Remember, not until students have activity in the current program year will the records automatically display in the list. So you will need to click the filter. Now before I do, let me go ahead and add or enter one of the students that I just imported. That is actually the ID, and notice the student does not automatically display. Removing the current program filter will now automatically display the student. I have a Sample Sam student, as well as I have a Susie student import. We actually have, if I selected equals with, then only Susie's student will display. Okay, well, I guess we have a Marlon Sneed there. Oh, ends with, I'm sorry. Here we go. There's equals with. There you go. So here again, not until the students have activity in the current program year will their records automatically display when opening the student demographics list of records. So simply remove the program year filter and you will find the record. Now let's quickly again pop over to eTests to the student demographics list to verify, and we'll again choose, in this case we'll choose equals, refresh the list, remove the current program year filter, and now we see Susie student displayed as well as Sample Sam. Folks, we can provide you with fillable templates to help you populate your online database without using manual data entry or third-party system, such as the one used for today's demonstration for importing student names and demographics. The first sheet in this import template provides steps to populate the template, steps to save the populated template as an importable file, and steps to import the file, as well as how to view to confirm a successful import. The second sheet on this template has sample data, and here are the Sample Sam and Susie student records that we just imported. We also adhered to the recommendation of gender and adding gender as well as date of birth so that your records will aggregate properly across all sites.